and the time allowed is only 2 hours. And answers to this paper must be written on the paper provided separately. It is written there. You will be given a 15 minutes before writing the examination. You will be getting a 15 minutes to prepare what to write. You will get a time to read the question paper, and you can decide which are the questions you need to attend. Then the time is only 2 hours only, and just below that you can see the paper has 4 sections. Section A is compulsory, that is all questions in A. In section A must be answered. It is clearly written, and you must attempt one question from each of the sections B, C, D, and one other question from any sections of your choice. That means the language literature part, like that, it is there, that is clearly mentioned here. And intended marks for parts of questions are given in brackets, and instructions for the supervising examiner also is mentioned like that. Then start with the section A. You can see attempt all questions from this section. The first part, section A, choose the correct answers, that is MCQ questions from this part, question number A. And in this you see here, you need not to copy the question, write the correct answers only. You need to write only the correct answers. Now I am just telling you how to select the correct answers. See, first question I will just tell you, where was Caesar put to death? In A, option number A is on a street in Rome. Option number B is on the battleground of Philippi. C, at the foot of Pompey's statue. D, in Brutus' orchard. See how to select the exact answer. First I will tell you, you have to select the best answer, not the good answer or the correct answer. You have to select the best answer. That is the thing that you have to concentrate upon. So in this 4 options are given, and in that first you have to eliminate there is no chance of being the answer. The first 2 options we have to eliminate. Out of 4 we have to eliminate. That is which one is not the exact answer, that we have to eliminate the first 2. Then remaining 2 we have to take. Then we have to write the exact answer. So in this particular question, the answer is at the foot of Pompey's statue, that you will be getting. Right? Then we go down. So there will be about 16 questions in this part, that is section A. You will be getting 16 questions, MCQ questions. All you need to attend in the same way. You see here, you can see that one. All other questions from the literature part, like the drama, all the questions are there. Julius Caesar. And after this you are coming into the poetry and the prose part also, it is there. All this in the same way you have to do. That is, first 2 eliminate, and the remaining 2, among the 2 you have to select the best answer, and make sure that the answer is exactly correct. So answers will be little bit confusing, but you have to read it very carefully, and you have to answer. Then the next part is coming with section B, that is the drama part. In this part, answer one or more question from this. So you can attend one or more than one. So in this question number 2, you have to select. You can see this one. Read the extract given below and answer the questions that follow. So in this, an extract will be given from your drama part, that is the Julius Caesar, and questions will be like this. Where are the speakers? What does the peasant mean? Explain Metellus. Simba strolls before thy seat a humble heart. So when you are writing the answers of this literature part, make sure that in this key words are very important. Keywords in the sense, you need not, if you are writing a full sentence and in that there is no keywords, you will not be getting marked. Okay, if you are writing a full sentence and if there is no keywords, you will not get marks. But if you write a word that is the exact answer for the question, for example, where are the speakers? So if you are telling where the speakers are, that exact place name, if you are writing that for that mark is there. And if you are writing something else, you are writing 2 or 3 sentences, you will not get mark for that. So make sure that keywords are very important in English literature. You can go through, you see all these questions. Read carefully and answer. This is the specimen paper. And see the shortly after this exchange, Caesar is stabbed to death by the conspirators. Whom do you sympathize with, Julius Caesar or conspirators? Give reasons for your choice. All these things are mentioned here. Then question number 3 is there. That is also from the drama part. You can select any of these two, or if you want, you can attend both of these answers also. Then we are coming to the next part, that is the section C. You can see from this part also, you can select any one or more than questions from one or more questions from this part. That is a short stories, treasure chest. You can see here also the extract is given here. In this extract you can find out the question here, and here also main thing that you have to concentrate upon is the see the where was the narrator. You have to write where the narrator was, exact place you have to mention. No need to write the elaborate sentence and all. And what is required is the exact answer is required, the keyword is required. Otherwise, if you are writing a long answer and there is no keyword in that, you will not be getting marked. So make sure that you are writing that one. And in all this, and question number 5 also, if you want, you can attend that one. Any of these two you have to attend. Anyway, from all these sections, one is compulsorily you have to attend, that is a prose, poetry or drama. Any of this you have to attend. In this from all these sections you have to attend at least one, and one from any of these sections you have to attend. And here also poetry also is there. In this poetry also you can find out like the very important questions, like what according to the poet turns the house into a haunted house. See this by reading this extract, you have to know that, and you have to write the exact answer to the question. And from this part also there are 2 questions. Out of this you have to attend only you can attend any of the 2, or only one you can attend, but one question is compulsory here. So this is the question paper, and you have to attend very carefully, and before going into the exam hall, you have to be very very careful in writing the answers carefully. And the language, as in the language part, the grammar is tested. For the literature part, grammar might not be tested because you have already been tested in the language part, so that you will not be given that grammatical errors will not be considered for literature papers. But make sure that you are writing properly with the proper sentences, proper tone of the speakers, and everything you are keeping. And uh, bear in mind that you are writing in a neat and legible handwriting, and how much words that is required, that much words you have to uh, keep in your writing. And make sure that all the points that is required that you are writing into the paper. Mainly the answer keywords are very very essential. So wishing you all the best for your literature part. Thank you.